Okay guys, now we've got matching. This is called classification as well. Classification, or you can call it matching. Now what is classification? Classification is they classify or they categorize things. A, B, C. What is A? Medieval warm period. Right? What is B? Little ice age. What is C? Modern warm period. Now what you guys have to do, you just have to scan medieval warm period. Can you find it somewhere? Medieval warm period. Paragraph D. Found it? Please underline it there. I just tell you how to deal with it. Can you see little ice age in the next paragraph? Please underline that as well. And then option C, modern warm period in paragraph F. Okay, so these are three locations where you will find your answers. There are different ways of doing it, but the best one is you go to medieval warm period, read about it, and then come back and see, because you know there are 4 questions and 3 options. That means one option will repeat. Yeah, one option will repeat. Now please come to paragraph D. I'm reading from the medieval warm period. Are you there exactly? Yes. So paragraph D from second line at the end. Part 1 describes medieval warm period, roughly 900 to 1200. During these 3 centuries, Norse voyagers from northern Europe explored northern seas, settled Greenland, and visited North America. Now please come back and see 23, 24, 25, 26. Does it match with any question? Absolutely. Europeans discovered other lands. And what are those other lands? Settled Greenland, North America. So these are other lands. So for question number 25, what is the answer? A, exactly. Medieval warm period. Now you found the answer of question number 25, crossed 25 as well. Okay, now please come to paragraph E, where we have little ice age. Okay, little ice age, we read about famine and all that. Please come to the middle of this paragraph. Can you see fish? Fish were a vital commodity. So please, and we have read it already. We are familiar with the passage now. Fish were a vital commodity in growing towns and cities where food supplies were a constant concern. Dried cod and herring were already the staples and all that. Now see, anything about fish was this commodity and all that. 26. See, changes took place in fishing pattern. If you read on, they will tell us how they changed the fishing pattern. Please read on. Dried cod and herring were already the staples of the European fish trade, but changes in water temperatures forced fishing fleets to work further offshore. So further offshore means they went far into the sea. So these were the changes in fishing patterns. So for question number 26, answer is yeah, because it is little ice age. Now cross 26 as well. Do you understand? Yeah, now you are not scanning. Now you just found 3 words and you are just moving around those 3 words. Okay, now let's go on. The last one is modern warm period. Paragraph F. Are you there? There was a vast migration from Europe by land-hungry farmers and others, to which the famine caused by the Irish potato, this thing and all that. Just come back. 23. What is that? Many Europeans started farming abroad. And what is for abroad? They use the word, there was a vast migration from Europe by land-hungry farmers and others, to which the famine caused, and they went where? North America, Australia, New Zealand, and South Africa. So many Europeans started farming abroad. 23 is also crossed. And what is the answer for 23? C. Now what are we left with? 24. Read the question. Cutting down of trees began to affect the climate. You know it already. Same paragraph. Read on and you will find it. Cutting down. Found it? woodland and axes and all that. See that when you are familiar with the passage, then the next questions will become easier. So what is the answer for 24? That also happened during the same modern warm period. So the answer will be answer will be C, exactly. I mean, now 23 and 24 both come under the category of modern warm period. Clear? All right, thank you.